Welcome to my hometown. Hello. Welcome to Indonesia. 2 days lang kami dito. Hi guys. Welcome to Indonesia, Myles. Yay!
Ako lang yung turista dito.
So, iba ang setup namin ngayon. Hindi kami naka-uniform because this is a personal trip for us both. One of my relatives is getting married tomorrow and I'm very close to her. She's very dear to me. So, I asked Myles if he could join me for the wedding. Ay! Pasensya na po. Galing pa kaming San Francisco. Dire-diretso na to. Wala pang pahinga.
Para tayo nag-bus.
Dito. Lumaki ako dito eh. Although a few days lang kami, excited ako na mapakita a bit of Jakarta to Myles.
Food trip.
And yes, food trip. Plano namin mag-mukbang. Ano ba yun? Uso yun, di ba?
Street food.
So, see you guys for the wedding and for the food trip. Giant silver king. Midnight snack. Popcorn.
Sarap.
Hello. It's a big wedding, so paayos talaga.
Put here. Good. Yeah, okay. And then, kasi giniin mo, gulong
Oh, roll it.
just like that. Can fit shoes. This is XL, you know. I think you have to.
Hi, we're on our way to the hotel. So
Mulia.
for Hotel Mulia.
Hotel Mulia Senayan.
Hotel Mulia Sanayan. So this is my sister, Ate Mila. She's driving us and she took care of all our outfits, our OOTDs for today. Yeah. So the ceremony for this morning, it's called, yes, Angkat Nika. Nika. Nika is wedding. We're doing that for this morning and then there's a break in between and then there's the big reception with over 5,000 people.
Tonight.
She might not know we're there.
And then a lot of VIP people. The president and the former president, you know, Susilo, Bambang Yudhoyono.
It's one of the biggest weddings for this year.
Because this is the grandson of the second president of Republic Indonesia. It's Suharto.
My pamangkin's face is all over the news daw. Excited! It's my first time to attend a big wedding.
It's my first time here.
Yeah, it's his first time here.
Ang dami.
Mami, oh no, Danny and Raiyah. We're here sa hotel. Hotel Mulia Senayan. See it!
Hotel Mulia Senayan.
Yeah! Easy. So my sister has been trying to talk to him in Bahasa. Do you understand naman? No. That means no. Look it up, guys. Shame eh. Talagang nakaganda. Meet the family.
1, 2, 3.
Yung ate ko, wait lang. Puntahan natin ate ko. This is my ate, Ate Alisa. Hello.
Cakep ya?
Wow. Parang artista. Uy, ano to? So, may mga press. I think it's the yung lolo. So the ex-president just arrived. Hello there. Yun na, unti-untian na sila dadatingan. Yan, may mga police. Ito na, ano meron? Sino nandito? So I guess mag-start na yung ceremony in a while because, ayan, nagdadatingan na sila.
Calon mempelai pria berbusana adat tradisional keempat buat dia dan dipegang oleh
بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله والإيمان فقال تعالى قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم الدنيا متاع
dari suami saya
tercinta dan sayang.
In the middle of the ceremony, it's all in Bahasa. Ano sabi nila?
Istri ya, silakan
With all my heart.
istri.
Ano sabi ng imam?
Jangan lupa baca
Muslim priest.
Mahal kita, bebe ko.
belum. Baru bismillah.
Ano daw?
Ano ba sabi?
Hindi ko alam. Gutom na kami.
Hindi pagkain.
Hello, the ceremony just ended and there's so many people. I don't know if you can hear us. We're about to eat, pero yung reception mamaya pa. Trying traditional Indonesian food.
Looks yummy.
I know. And it's beef. Nice outfit, sir. Ooh.
I feel like a local.
Change outfit.
Change outfit para kumain.
We're now headed for the reception. So, kanina nga yung ceremony lang yun. And it only has 1,000 people. Now the reception has 6,000 people. We're just there to eat. No, just kidding. Congratulations, Raisa and Danny. Thank you for inviting us. This is a really good experience for us both. Thank you. So now we can't wait to share to you guys what happens at an Indonesian wedding reception. Oh.
Damn. Ay, Singapore Airlines ata ito eh. Or Garuda.
Ito na nga po, daming tao. Ayan o, may pila. Parang
May guest list.
Parang Enchanted Kingdom. May gusto ka pa isa? Papasok na kami!
Daming tao.
Bakit ganito? Nag-struggle tayo, papasok lang.
Parang papasok ng embassy.
Oo. There's a line to shake their hands. Ria, why do I have to line up to shake your hand? Oh, it's so massive! Parang may concert! Thank you! Arte! Uy, may pila! Yan sila. So, may artista ata doon. Pero hindi ko kilala.
Yung Indonesian kong girlfriend, hindi naman kilala yung mga artista.
May nakita ko artista dito.
Si Bentong.
Bernard pa lang
Ayun na, si Jasmine, no? Ano?
Bernard pa lang Ako. Subscribe po kayo kahit ganun kami kumanta. Naka-block yung mga media. Naka-block.
Yung mga paparazzi pa sa labas.
Andito na kami!
You're on stage!
So, yung parents no groom muna, and then the bride and groom, and then the parents of the bride, which is my brother. This weddings of the year, if not the biggest. Hi! Congratulations! because
Pagod.
No, pagod na. We're really tired. So thank you so much for being so accommodating and for inviting us. It was a fun wedding. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click down below. Down below.
Dito.
Saan ba? Dito. Diba? Yun lang. Bye-bye. Terima kasih.
Bye. Terima kasih.
Yay!